आप सभी का स्वागत करते हुए हम आपके साथ इस पल को साझा करने के लिए तत्पर है। तिलक लगाना यह हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति की पहचान है, जो आदर, प्रेम और सम्मान का प्रतीक है। हमारे स्नेही छात्र आज के अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत तिलक लगाकर कर रहे हैं और सभी के आशीर्वाद की कामना करते हैं।
I request the parents to please rise to welcome our distinguished guest of today's program. Please welcome them with a huge round. नमः प्रकाशते देवी सर्वज्ञे सर्वशक्तिमन् आत्मज्योतिरुचिरेण दीपं प्रज्वलयाम्यहम्. As the lamp is lit, may its radiance illuminate our heart and mind, guiding us towards new achievements and triumph in all our endeavors. Let the sacred light mark the beginning of our annual day celebration. Let us stand together and witness this beautiful tradition.
May I kindly invite our esteemed chief guest and all respected dignitaries to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
As embark on this beautiful journey today, let us invoke the blessings of the divine.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता. सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Lighting the lamp is profound Indian tradition which symbolizes the showering of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity. It dispels the darkness and ignorance.
That was an extraordinary and amazing performance. It was indeed a knowledgeable one. Please give them a big round of applause.
I, Miss Srushti Sandip Zadav,
And I, Miss Apeksha Anil Magre, will take you all to one of the most important fundamental institutions of our life.
true, family is one of the most fundamental institutions of one's life.
Yes, you are right. No matter how much the world changes, one thing that remains constant is the love and bond within the family, filled with unforgettable moments of togetherness.
Exactly. Families are the orchard where every individual is given equal importance.
A joint family teaches us a great importance. It teaches the importance of preserving our cultural heritage.
In a joint family, we see that the importance is given to moral values like sharing and respect for everyone.
Even this arrangement provides a kind of social security in the atmosphere, which is one of the important aspects among many.
Moving forward, today we see the emergence of greater number of nuclear family in today's world.
This is because of rapid industrialization, urbanization, socio-economic responsibility, technology, and so on.
Not only that, but youth have become more confident in taking their own decisions.
Does this mean that we have lost the importance of the old system of family? No, not at all. But it has given the chance to the new generation to live independently. Today we see that even women play an important role in the economic development and upbringing of the family.
No matter how much the world changes, but the love and bond within the relationships filled with unforgettable moments remains constant.
Yes, whenever something good or bad happens, a mother is the first person to appreciate or correct us.
Absolutely, but in today's world, children do not have time for their parents.
Today we see that most of the families come together only on occasions such as festivals or marriage ceremonies.
So, Apeksha, what do you think? How can we develop an ideal family in today's world where everyone is busy in their own lives?
To make an ideal family, one should not wait for events or ceremonies, but should take the initiative to come closer to each other.
Indeed, families are the foundation of our lives. They are where we learn to care, grow, and thrive. So, let's explore the ideal family.
Yes, but how can we do that?
So sit back and enjoy the next performance.
Please welcome our next performers with a big round of applause.
लुका छुपी बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे थक गई है अब तेरी माँ आजा सांझ हुई मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई देख मेरी नजर आ जाना मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई देख मेरी नजर आ जाना
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ न छोड़ो मुझे घर लौट के भी आना पाऊं माँ भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो याद भी तुझको आना पाऊं माँ क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ इतना बुरा मेरी माँ गड़बड़ी है हड़बड़ी है धूप जाके अब पड़ी है ना समय है ना घड़ी है जाने कैसे जाने निकल पड़ी है गड़बड़ी है हड़बड़ी है धूप जाके अब पड़ी है ना समय है ना घड़ी है जाने कैसे जाने निकल पड़ी है रातों में दिन कर दिए हैं तारों के पिंजर दिए हैं जगमगाती रोशनी में चांद सारे कर दिए हैं हड़बड़ी है धूप जाके अब पड़ी है ना समय है ना घड़ी है जाने कैसे जाने निकल पड़ी है हड़बड़ी है धूप जाके अब पड़ी है ना समय है ना घड़ी है जाने कैसे जाने निकल पड़ी है
हंसती खेलती मस्ती से भरी दुनिया प्यार की दुनिया ख्वाब की नासा में पली मिस्री की डली नासा में पली मिस्री की डली